Now, a News4 Jax I-Team update on the legal battle between Celebration Church and its former pastors. Today, a judge heard arguments from both sides related to allegations of defamation and whether the pastor should be evicted from a home that the church owns. After a nearly 2-hour hearing, the judge took the issues under advisement. It's a big question. Does the court have jurisdiction to rule in a case involving one of the largest local churches and its founding pastors, Stovall and Kerry Weems? That's the heart of the argument. The Weemses want the court to decide whether they were defamed when the church published an internal investigation that alleged fraud, emotional and spiritual abuse, and narcissistic behavior by Stovall Weems.
What is someone like the Weemses left to do when a church ousts them like this? And it's resort to the courts. That's the only thing they can do.
The Weemses filed suit against the attorney for Celebration Church, Lee Wedekind. His law firm was involved in that internal investigation. Wedekind's attorney says this part of the case should be dismissed. However, there's another issue, whether Stovall and Kerry Weems can continue living in this home on Black Hammock Island. Celebration Church owns it and has served the pastors with eviction notices. But the Weemses say it was part of a retirement package. The church's side says this is a court matter.
On the other hand, the eviction is really just asking the court to make a common sense determination that the church owns the property. The church has decided that the Weemses should no longer be there. The Weemses need to leave.
The days of self-help of going down there with torches and pitchforks to run the pastor out of the parsonage after he's either resigned or been fired are long gone. You only have one way of doing that, and that's to ask the court to issue an order of eviction.
Stovall Weems was suspended and later resigned from Celebration last year. He has called it an orchestrated coup driven by the Board of Trustees. Weems was present in that virtual court hearing but did not speak or have his camera on. Again, no decision was made today.